How to turn off sound effect in 8-ball pool. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you're playing 8-ball pool and want to turn off the sound, first of all launch the game open on your device and from the main menu, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. You'll then end up in this page where you'll need to click profile from the top left. Inside profile, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. Inside the settings menu, scroll all the way down and then click on the sound option, turn the button off, and that's how you turn off the sound effect in the game. Now you can return to the main home page and start your game. And that's it. You have successfully turned off the sound in 8-ball pool. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.